Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to put an eta squared symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put eta squared, go to the insert menu. Select the text box. Now I am draw a text box. Then go to the insert menu again. Select the symbol option. Now I am select the font drop down menu and select the normal text and select the subset Latin extended B. Then we can see here many symbol. Now I am find and select the eta squared. Now we can see here many symbol. Now I am find the eta squared. We can see here the eta squared. Now I am click this and click insert, then close. Then select the squared, go to the home menu, increase the font size. Now we can see we put an eta squared symbol in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.